Hello and welcome to a quick video how to reset your smart switch device. So you may recognize this device that's on your bathroom wall, living room wall, some kind of light switch, and maybe it's not working like it used to. Here's how it should work. Depending on whether or not you have a motion sensor, it should come on automatically, or maybe you're using your Alexa, and maybe right now it's only working with pushing the button, or maybe not even working at all. First step would be to check if the batteries need to be replaced. Simply remove the device from the wall by pulling. These take AAA. They have a simple hatch in the back. You take them out. Maybe check and see if the Echo device has actually been moved too far away from these devices, as it requires them to be within a certain proximity. If none of these work, maybe it's time to do a fresh restart just in case, which is what we're going to go over in this video. The occasional connection issue isn't abnormal, so only do these steps if you're having persistent issues that last a long time. Okay, so let's open the Alexa app on your phone. Once you're in the app, go to your device list. That's a little light bulb symbol. Once you pull that up, you'll see a list of all your devices. Some may say device is unresponsive. If your light switch says device unresponsive, you're going to want to delete it. So let's go to My Bathroom Light Switch. Go to the cog in the top right, hit the trash can symbol to delete, confirm delete, and it should be off the list. Next, we're going to add it back into the device. Now to do that, you just want to hold down the main button for about 30 seconds. You'll see a blue light come on. You want to hold it until that blue light is flashing repeatedly. Once you see that it's flashing fast, you can pair it with the Alexa in two ways. One, by asking it, Alexa, discover more devices.
I've started discovering new devices. Please power on your device, put it in pairing mode if supported, and check the Alexa app's devices section in a few minutes to see what's been discovered.
If that doesn't work for you, there's probably something else wrong. You might need to reset the actual Alexa device. To do that, you simply unplug it from the back. You wait about 10 seconds or so and replug it. And then once you have it powered back on, you're going to want to let it set up for a couple minutes until it finds your Wi-Fi and it's all back to normal. If that still is giving you problems, you can add a device strictly from the Alexa app. So go back to your app, click the top right, the plus sign in the devices, scroll all the way down to other and select Zigbee, and you're going to ask it to discover devices. So this is going to discover the device, hopefully, ideally. Once it says you found it, just follow the prompts. Okay, change the name to something that is applicable to what you're installing. Bathroom switch is the example that I'm doing today. And then make sure you pick where you want to use this switch, just for organizational sakes. Hit next. So that's going to add the device. So now it's ready to use. Give it a test. The quick toggle here on off should change the setting of the smart switch. You should hear it. The gears engage and it should flip on and off. The device should now work with the label you gave it with the Alexa. Now to work with a motion sensor, you're going to make a routine. So you can do it from here. Go to routine, create a routine. In the top right plus sign, you'll be able to at this stage. So add an event, smart home, go down to first motion sensor. When motion is detected, we're going to go down the next section down here. It's an if then Alexa will. Go back to smart home. We're going to pick on lights. We're going to pick our bathroom light we just set up and hit next. And then we're going to say on. So when it senses motion, the light comes on. So let's label it so it's easy to read and understand exactly what this routine does. So I'm going to say it says bathroom motion on, something to that effect. Hit next and save. So, I didn't really go over this, but if your motion sensor is not working or that red light doesn't come on, you probably want to do the same things. Check for the battery and then see if it's responsive after that. If it's not, you can kind of go through the pairing process on that as well. It's a little black button on the back. But here's reviewing the actual devices again and how to get to the routines. So you can go to the top left, all those lines, go to the routine and your routines, and here they are. And you can test them with the little blue play button. So now you should be up and running. See that red light on the motion and the blue light on the switch.